Now, in this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, we share the story of a man who proves anything is possible if you believe. This evening, we introduce you to Kenroy Yuta, the founder of Faith Academy, located in St. Mary. Giovanni Dennis tells us more.
You can always catch Kenroy Yuta with a smile or his hands in the dirt. He operates Faith Academy along with his wife and 6 other teachers in Bonnygate, St. Mary. Built on faith, as its name suggests, it caters to students from 3 to 12 years old.
I was saying then in my mind, these youths are like sheep without a shepherd. And I said, who's standing up for these youths?
Kenroy, like others in his community, did not graduate high school. He said the inspiration to build the school came from a personal encounter with God.
The inspiration then was, go and build a school. At the time, I had just like 10,000 Jamaican dollars to my name then.
With just the inspiration to build a school, Kenroy's passion was fueled by a deep desire to create a learning opportunity for the youths in the community.
I started out the school with round wood from the bush, tarpaulin, dirt floor, because I didn't have any money to really start the school.
Kenroy's faith was placed on trial just after the establishment got off the ground in 2017 when his wife became ill.
The major challenge I encountered is when my wife had 2 miscarriages. I had to run away from this project. Didn't even know that I was running away from a wife that was greatly ill. At the time she had like pulmonary embolism.
But her illness has proven to be a blessing in disguise, as the doctor who treated her turned out to be the man to fund the project. Now, Faith Academy sits on 800 acres of land, a section of which is reserved for agricultural purposes.
At Faith Academy, we don't eat meat at Faith Academy. We are vegetarians, and the kids adapted to it very well. So I grow a lot of vegetable and stuff like that. So the children eat from the farm.
Despite the negative impact on the education sector caused by COVID-19, Mr. Yuta says the school is ready for face-to-face learning if and when the government signals a resumption in January. With A Ray of Hope, I'm Giovanni Dennis.